Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a frustrating garden problem, ants invading your plant pots. Let's explore why they love your pots and how to get rid of them. Ants invade pots for three main reasons: shelter, moisture, and food sources like honeydew from pests. Don't ignore their presence, they can harm your plants. Spot ants in your pots by noticing ants crawling on soil or stems, tiny soil mounds near the pot base, and sticky residue on leaves. Early detection helps. Take the plant pot outside to inspect. Look under the pot, gently tap it to see if ants emerge, and disturb the soil to check for nests. If you have a mild infestation, flush the soil with water. Pour until it drains fully. Repeat if needed to force the ants out and destroy tunnels. If flushing doesn't work, it's time to repot. Remove the plant, clean roots, wash the pot, and add fresh potting mix to prevent future infestations. Once ants are gone, use natural repellents like cinnamon powder, used coffee grounds, and neem oil spray to deter future visits.